In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Do you know why the life of so many people have become difficult? I have discovered the reason behind it. And this reason is that we are trying to put the cart ahead of the horse. Means we have wrong priorities in the life. We are not doing the first thing first. Or maybe we don't know the technique of setting the priorities. We don't know the techniques of putting the priorities right. We don't know the technique of it. That is a possible reason why our life has become difficult. Maybe these few sentences won't be able to make you understand what I am trying to say. But I am going to open the idea which I am carrying, then it will be easy for you, for all of us to understand it and understand it well. I believe that once I am finished, once I do disclose the idea, divulge the idea, you will agree with me that this thing is right. Are the people who are not ridden by their ego, the people who are not controlled by their ego, rather they do appreciate and recognize the something which is right, which is important, will agree with me. I think if at all we do one thing, if at all we do put one thing as a priority in the life, as a number one priority in the life, if at all we do make one thing, one aspect of our life as the number one priority in our life, I believe that doing the rest of the things will become easy. I believe that doing the rest of the things will become easy if only you make one thing as the top priority in our life. What this one thing is, by the way, what this one thing is, by the way, it is developing a healthy thoughts, healthy thinking, psychological health. If at all we are working upon ourselves to make us psychologically healthy person, on the one hand we will succeed in improving the condition in almost every sphere of the life. Mean we will start improving, developing, growing in every sense. If we make the psychological health of ours as a top priority in our life, as the number one priority in the life, as something which we are going to keep at the top, then then doing the rest of the things will become easy. Succeeding in rest of the things will become easy. Improving, developing, growing in the rest of the things will become easy. Easy does not mean that we will be having a kind of magic stick in our hand or an Aladdin lamp. Not at all, not at all. Still, the work will be needed. But it will be easy, it will become easy for us to do the right sort of work needed everywhere else, and it will become easy for us to move forward, to develop, to grow, to succeed. Psychological health. What is this psychological health, by the way? Do we need to take the medication? No. The medication only when a clinical psychologist, a psychiatrist does prescribe, otherwise there is no need of that. Simply we need to develop the healthy thinking, healthy thoughts. Simply we need to develop the healthy thinking, healthy thoughts. Means positive thoughts. Expect good. But don't trust anyone else blindly. We need to become somewhat practical as well. We need to, although it is very important to have the positive thoughts, because the positive thoughts will make us psychologically healthy person. Otherwise we will remain psychologically unhealthy person. We will remain psychologically sick person. A sick person psychologically, an ill man, a person who is ill, sick psychologically, diseased person psychologically, cannot develop, cannot improve, cannot even enjoy the life. On the one hand, there is no success in the other fields, in the fields. On the other hand, even if somebody is successful enough in earning good amount of money, even if somebody becomes a kind of famous personality, achieve a celebrity status, even then she cannot enjoy the life. Cannot enjoy the life for the reason because they are not psychologically healthy person, because they are psychologically sick, ill people, and anybody who is sick cannot be happy, cannot enjoy the life. So on the one hand, as far our psychological health is concerned, on the one hand it helps us a lot in succeeding, in improving in the different fields of the life, in the different spheres of the life. On the other hand, it makes us enjoy the life only because we are a psychologically healthy person. As I earlier told, as far as psychological health is concerned, we need to become a positive person. We need to develop a positive thinking. And this being positive, and this being the healthy thoughts. And what is this positivity, by the way? Positivity means expect good. But while expecting the good, we don't need to depend upon someone else blindly. We don't need to trust in someone else blindly. Not at all. We need to develop somewhat practicable attitude, and we need to develop somewhat practicable attitude, doable things. Ground realities must not be ignored. And we need to learn the method of doing something else. We need to learn the technique of doing something else. Being a psychological healthy person, I think it is something which is of highest importance. But simultaneously, without ignoring, we need to become a psychologically healthy person, because we need to have the positive thinking, and we must be positive enough. Simultaneously, at the same time, we shouldn't be ignoring the ground realities. We should not be ignoring the technique, the way to do something else. Thank you, Jazakallah.